All right, the second part of the Half-Life Lab is a half-life simulation. Now the way this works is, we have this big box here. You might recognize the type of box it is if you're old enough. But inside the box, there are 400 cubes. And on one side of each cube is an X. So what we're going to do is, we're going to take this box of cubes, we're going to shake it up, and then we're going to remove all of the cubes that have their X facing upward and put them into another little container there just to hold them until we're done. We will then subtract the number of cubes that we took out from the original 400 to get the remaining number of cubes. Then we're going to shake it again and then do the same thing, take out all of the cubes that have the X facing up, put them in the other container, subtract that from the previous number, and that'll be the number of cubes that remain inside the box. And we're going to do this 8 times. Now, we're going to give you the data for the an entire class. And then what will be done is that an average will be given for all of the groups in a class. So, Mr. Younger, if you will do the honors of shaking up the box, kind of just jump it up and down. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
And we're not going to have any leaners, so.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, totally rewarding, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 63, that's it, 64.
Okay, so 64 we're taking out, leaving behind 336.
Yep.
Okay. So we shake it again. Do it up and down. Do it up and down. There you go. Okay. That's good. And then we'll do that again. I'm not going to put you all through it, but you get the idea. We'll take out a certain number of, there's X's, and there's less of them now. And we'll continue this 8 times. And then what you'll do is we'll give you the numbers that are left in the box after each shake. So the first, initially, your N0 is going to be 400. Then your N1, the next N is going to be 336. And then you go down from there. So we'll give you all that information. You'll then graph this number of shakes on the horizontal axis and number of cubes remaining in the box on the vertical axis. And then you'll graph all of those data points, And then you're going to see that it's not a straight line. And if you use a exponential regression analysis fit, what I recommend is doing, there's two ways you can do it. You can set the y-intercept to be 400 because you know you had 400 initially. But if you don't do that, you'll get a slightly different value for your decay constant. So if you want, do both of them. Set the initial amount to 400 or not, and see what the difference is in there. But you should get a result for your decay constant and your half-life after you do your analysis. And so you'll do that, fill in the blanks in your lab, and then you'll be ready to either turn that in or take a quiz on it. Okay, that's it for the radioactive decay.